What's up, guys? I'm here with my nephews. This is Brody and this is Cooper. We're gonna make some awesome cupcakes for their mom's birthday. Yay. You guys ready? I'm gonna show you some tips first, okay? All right, and then we'll make the cupcakes. So, if you're using a piping bag, right? You wanna push all of the icing up like this and just hold just enough in the palm of your hand, right? So you can either hold it or you can put it down, but definitely keep it stable. You start in the middle, squeeze, pull out, make one circle like this, okay? And then make a smaller circle in the middle. Okay? Or you can ice the cupcake. So then the same thing, you plop icing on here, and then you wanna wipe the icing all the way down. So you're covering all of the cupcake. Keeps it fresh.
Cool.
Right? And then you can sort of swirl the top. Make it look nice and delicious and homemade. Like that. So I got a lot of your mom's favorite things. Loves Kit Kats.
Oh,
Loves, what are these?
Nerds.
Loves nerds. Some pink icing, and let's just go to town.
All right.
Grab a cupcake. Just have fun with it. So this is a star tip. So it's got these little teeth that makes this design.
Cool.
And then this is a patisserie tip, which has lots of teeth. And then Cooper's got a round tip, and he's making some sort of pink brain.
Didn't look like how I expected it to. But
Do you want me to, we need to add a little bit more icing, I think. Do you want to spread it out? I think you need a little more. So you want to cover up this cake too, because it's going to get dry. By the way, for you guys, there is a kid's cake decorating kit. Everything's in the description box below. You also get piping tips, you get little scrapers, you get a turntable. It's a fun starter kit. Thanks for that, that was awesome. All right, we're gonna do.
You're very much welcome.
So mom she likes pink and teal, just like me. A little teal, and maybe some silver.
Yeah.
She loves Kit Kats. Hey, that's kind of abstract. Yeah, buddy, that's good. You know who likes caramel corn? Brandon. He never catches it though. Try, see if you can do it.
You gotta loft it.
You gotta loft
Need
it.
some loft.
He's got a good arm on him. He
All
caught
right,
him
hit me
in his
long.
armpit.
Someone hit me long. I need a Kit Kat.
I got it.
Oh, do a Kit Kat. No, James.
Throw a whole thing of Kit Kat.
Yeah.
That's good. That was really good. You should put some nerds on it. Your mom likes nerds a lot. The candy.
Nerds are awesome.
You know what nerds remind me of?
What's that?
Brandon.
Oh, Brandon.
It's because he likes nerds. What do you guys think I was saying?
Oh, they are good. They're really good. All right, y'all each got another cupcake to do. I already did mine. And we're gonna do candles and we're gonna sing happy birthday to you.
Yay. That tastes good.
You like it?
Is this what you guys do when you hang out in Georgia?
No, what we do is they watch me cook and like it's a live cooking show.
It really is.
Sounds kind of fun. Cooper, Brody, what's the best thing that Uncle Josh makes?
Cake.
What's the best
Besides cake.
non-cake thing that Uncle Josh makes?
Gumbo. I was gonna say that.
What's second then, after gumbo?
Probably cookies for Santa.
Yes, Santa cookies are awesome.
Okay.
Hence good Santa
The
gift.
main time I cook for them is around the holidays because I travel so much. So when we do get to see each other, we have to eat out at restaurants. So it's always gumbo, cookies for Santa, because their mother, who I adore, made cookies one year and she decided they weren't done, so she flipped them over like a pancake.
Oh gosh.
And I was mortified and excused her from the kitchen, and she wasn't allowed to make cookies for Santa again, right?
Right.
Now Uncle Josh makes them. Oh, it's good. It smells good. What'd you put in a Kit Kat?
Yep.
Boom.
Wait, I'm ready.
I gotta get something to light these with. Hold on. All right, we ready?
Nope, not
Close?
ready.
I gotta put candles in
Close,
everyone.
close.
All right, we're gonna put finishing touches on, and then we'll bring in my sister.
Sorry, I just need one candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Blow them out. Let me make a wish. Oh.
Help her out, guys.
This is blowing sprinkles everywhere.
I found a nerd. Here, I want to give you one.
All right, which one do you want me to eat, Brody?
The
take the
hot
can-
mess
the hot
one.
The hot mess one that you made? That is a hot mess.
Everybody grab
Cooper,
one.
which one do you want Uncle
Yay.
Josh to eat?
You eat whatever one.
I think
you
the
want.
purple
I'm gonna eat that
icing
one.
one, Uncle Josh. Are you eating that
I
purple
mean,
icing?
that,
You want
that
this one?
was
Your
mine.
teeth are gonna be purple forever.
I'll eat, I don't like Kit Kat that much. I'll eat the chocolate one, I think.
Okay, ready?
Go. Yum, good stuff. Cheers.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
I gotta go work out.